Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I'm your science teacher Saba Kirn from Multan Public School and College. I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. Are you ready for today's lesson? So let's start. Dear students, in the previous video lesson we have learned about heavy and light objects. The objects which we cannot carry, lift or move from one place to another place are called heavy objects. Like stone is heavy, feather is light. Same like that, tree is heavy. And the objects which we can carry, lift or move from one place to another place easily are called light objects, like feather and like leaf. Today we will learn about transparent and opaque objects. Dear students, transparent objects allow all of the light to pass through them. This means that we can clearly see through them. It means light can pass through transparent material easily. For example, glass. Dear students, we can see clearly through glass. Look at this picture. In this picture, we can see clearly what the kids are doing behind the glass. And dear students, do you know opaque objects do not allow any light to pass through them. This means that we cannot see through them at all. Now look at this picture. This is the door. And this is the example of opaque object. We cannot see what the kids are doing behind the door. Let's see some more example of transparent and opaque objects. As we have learned, transparent objects allow us to see clearly through them. So some examples are window, but it's glass window, glass, magnifying glass, glasses, and sun timer or glass. These are the examples of transparent objects. Dear students, look at these examples. We can see clearly through these objects easily. Like we can see clearly through the glass window easily that what is outside. Same like that, we can read clearly through the magnifying glass. Now look at this picture below. What is this? Yes, this is gift wrapper. And through this transparent gift wrapper, we can easily see what is inside. So, through the transparent object, we can easily see what is inside. Now we will see some examples of opaque objects like mirror, stone, apple, brick, cup and can. Same like that, here are some presents, but we cannot see what is inside them. So we cannot see through the opaque objects at all. Dear students, now open your science book page number 42 and listen to me carefully. Transparent and opaque. Alicia wants to wrap a birthday gift for Ali. Observe the different types of wrappers. As we can see in the picture below, there are some different types of gift wrappers. Compare the different types of wrappers. Are they rough or smooth, shiny or dull, transparent or opaque? Alicia decided not to use the clear cell phone to wrap the present because it is transparent. It means that if Alicia will wrap the cell phone in the transparent wrapper, then it will be seen clearly and Ali would be able to see through it. The rest of the wrappers are opaque. They cannot be seen through. So the gift wrappers in which we can see through them are called transparent, and the gift wrappers in which we cannot be seen through are called opaque. What is this? Do you know? Let me tell you. Here are some shiny and dull objects. Dear students, shiny objects are things that look bright, good, and exciting. For example, key, pot, stone, ring. These are the examples of shiny objects as you can see in these pictures. Same like that, some gift wrappers are also very shiny and attractive as we can see in the picture below. Some materials are dull and they have a rough surface. Dull materials are not bright and attractive. For example, carton box, tree, block, pottery, and some dull gift wrappers as we can see in these pictures. Now you will tell me, do you like a shiny gift wrappers or dull gift wrappers? As I like shiny gift wrappers because they are bright, good, and attractive. But what do you like? Now open your science book, page number 43, shiny and dull. The brown paper is opaque. However, Alicia decided not to use it to wrap the present because it is dull. It means that Alicia do not want to wrap the present in the dull gift wrapper. She decided to use either the colorful gift wrapper or the shiny gold one, as we can see in the pictures below. Which would you choose? Dear students, now try it out. For this, what you need? A present gift wrapper, sticky tape, ribbon or bow, and scissors. What to do? Wrap a present with a suitable gift wrapper. Do not use a large piece of paper to wrap a small present. Paper comes from wood and which comes from trees. If we waste paper, we will have to chop down many trees to make more paper. So we should not waste anything. Now tie your present with a ribbon or bow.